Okay, so everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can remove the side mirror, this cover for the side mirror, as well as this turn signal for the side mirror. Okay, as you can see, it is broken. So maybe if you have the same problem or your light is busted and you want to replace it, then you might want to watch this one, okay? So in order for us to be able to get to this, we need to remove this front cover. And in order for us to remove the front cover, we need to remove the side mirror. So some people, they would just do this, okay? And I do not like that. What I would do instead is turn on the switch and then activate the mirror. We need to, see, bring that up like that. Okay, turn it off. Now the reason we did that is because we want to have access underneath here. So we can now insert a flathead screwdriver in between that gap. See that? Now what we aim to do is insert this flathead screwdriver. You see that white? This one. And this one is the mirror. This one is the one holding the mirror. Insert it in between that and then just twist, and one also on the other side, okay? So basically there are two locking tabs here below and two upright hooks here. Okay, I'll show you in a minute. Okay, so I hope you can see that. Watch. I'll insert the screwdriver and then twist it. See? That's one. And then there's one here as well. See? And that unlocks the side mirror. Now, in order for us to pull this one out much easier, what I will do now is bring the side mirror down, okay? Just like that. And then pull it out, see, just like that. I'll show you a much closer look. See, these are the two upright hooks that I was telling you about that locks on there, and these are the two locking tabs that locks on these two, okay? So now in order for us to remove the front cover, we need to push these tabs out. This one, this, and this, okay? And it's much easier to do if you have plastic prying tools like this one, okay? These are very cheap. Maybe I bought this for maybe 80 pesos. That's roughly about $1.50. So what I will do first is push these plastic tabs out and then wedge this in between the cover. That way it won't come back locking in, okay? Push this one, push the other side, and then wedge that in between. That way it won't come back locking in. See? So do the same for these two. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a locking tab here as well as here. I'll push that with a flathead screwdriver, okay, and wedge this in between. Push that here, and that's that. Okay, so now we are going to work our way down just slowly, and the bottom locking tab should unlock itself, okay? And that's that. We try that here. Okay, so see, we have 4 locking tabs above and we have 4 locking tabs below. For so long as you have already unlocked the upper portion, the lower portion should unlock itself as well. Now we have access to our side mirror turn signal. As you can see, it's broken. So in order for us to remove this, we need to unlock this wiring harness first. Just lift this up, okay? Then pull this one out. See, now there are just 2 screws that hold this in place, okay? And actually it already came off because it's broken. Now I would just like to point out, okay, just so you know, should your side mirror turn signal is not working, you cannot just replace the valve, okay? You need to replace the entire assembly, because even if this assembly is still intact, you cannot just open this up and get the valve. And I do believe this is just a T10 valve. And as far as I'm concerned, this design is very much wasteful, you know. You need to throw out the entire assembly just to replace the valve. Okay, so I'll show you. Let me open this up. It's broken anyway. And as I guess it right, it's just a T10 valve. So I went online and found a replacement, and the first one they sent me is this one. I do believe this is for Camry, and fortunately they gave me a refund for this, okay? See, it's not the same. Now the second one I bought is this one, and it would fit here, but the problem is, as you can see, there is no rubber seal on this one, unlike this one, and the wiring harness are not the same, and there's also not that it doesn't have a mount unlike this one. See that one? See, it's not the same. This one, see, this one here is the same as this one. So I'm not going to replace this. I'm not going to bother. It's going to take another couple of weeks to do so. So what I believe I will just do is to remove this wiring harness and just use this one. But there's a problem with this one also, because this is the original. It is rubber sealed and it's not the same as this one. So even if I cannot actually really use this on this one. Okay, so I'll just use this one instead. And you can easily just do that using this wiring harness removal kit. Okay, you see that one? I hope you can see that. I hope you can see that. Okay, push that in. That will unlock the terminal. You can pull this one out, see, and then the other one. See, that's it. We need to do this one too. Same procedure. Push it, okay, pull it out, and this one as well. Then pull it out. Very easy. Before I'm going to insert this here, okay, what you need to do is, because we push this locking tab in, we need to pull it out again. And I hope you can see that. See, that is what locks the terminal inside the wiring harness, and we'll do the same on this one. So now we can insert this one, push it in, okay. Then as you can see, that locks in place. And the other one, push it all the way in, and let's see if that is already locked. And it is, okay. So I will just glue a piece of rubber on this side to act as a seal, okay, dust seal as well as water seal. So there's a rubber seal. Now before we put this back on, it's good practice to give this, you know, a few cleaning or wiping down, because this is not every day that you open this up, okay. So while it's open, might as well clean this one too, okay. So let's install our turn signal. Just line these holes with this, okay. So just like that, connect the wiring. Before we put the front cover back on, let's confirm first if this is working. So let's just turn on our hazard lights and let's see. And as you can see, it is working. So the only difference with this one and this one is that it's got a seal here, as well as it's got a mount for the wiring harness. Aside from that, it fits perfectly. You can put the front cover back on, start below, and then work your way up, okay. And then it will just snap right in, and that's it. Now we can put the side mirror back again. Try to give you a closer look. Just pay attention on that hook, see, and that's that. And that's not gonna fall, but we still need to lock it. So we need to adjust the mirror like so, okay. See that? Okay, now in order for us to easily push the side mirror in and lock it in place, use this screwdriver, okay, buttress this and push it, and then that locks, and then the other one, and that's it. And that's just that. Bring your mirror to the proper adjustment again, and that is that. So now we have our new side mirror turn signal installed. So that's it for this video. The next video I intend to make is how to remove the entire side mirror assembly, okay? Because I need to repair this as well. As you can see, there's a crack. So I need to remove the entire side mirror assembly, and we can only do that by first removing the door panel. So anyway, I hope you like this video. I hope you found this informative. If you do, let me know in the comments below. If you're new to my channel, like, share, subscribe if you want to. Only if you want to. And as always, thank you for watching.